Hey, what's up guys, it's Mike here, and in this video I will walk you through on the tools you will be needing in completing this course. So first is a wireframing tool. Second is Adobe Photoshop, and it doesn't matter if you have the old version or the latest version. Now that will be followed by a text editor. For Windows you can use Notepad++ or InType, or anything you are preferred to. For Mac, I will be using TextMate for this one. And other than that, other stuffs we'll be needing is, like frameworks, we will be using Twitter Bootstrap. I also listed some other stuffs we will be needing, so make sure you check this supplementary materials, like where you can select colors or website that have patterns and fonts to find icons here. So make sure you check this out. This is attached on this video.